Hey guys, it's Billy right here. I'm just going to take a little bit of time here to show you guys how to start using Trimble Clarity. I know we all gather up these large data sets and we want to, share those internally or with our stakeholders on the project. So what I got here today is an MX9 data set that I'm going to be pushing out to Trimble Clarity. I just kind of want to walk you guys through that simple process of how to get that out there. Okay, one of the first things that I want you to do is, if you haven't already done this, go to clarity.trimble.com, and this is where you would go out and sign up for a free trial version of Trimble Clarity, or you may have already had Trimble Clarity, and if that's the case, we'd go and it would just take us to the login page here, or you can create a new Trimble Connect ID. So if you already have that information, go ahead and log in with that, or go ahead and create your new Trimble Connect ID. So now what we'll want to do is we'll want to come in here and on our Point Clouds menu, we can go over here to Deliverables. And you have where you can just open Trimble Clarity, or you have the button where you can publish to Clarity. So what I want to do is hit Publish to Clarity. And if you're not signed in Trimble Clarity already, like I am, I went in here and under Options, you can go to External Services Profiles, and you can come in here and sign in to the Trimble Clarity service. I'll just close that down now. If I wasn't already signed in, it would prompt me for my username and password, and then you would just sign in right there. We'll just give this project here a name. And once you give it a name, it wants you to select what you want to publish. I'm going to go here and select my point cloud. From this point now, I would just hit Publish. And it's going to start kicking it out to Trimble Clarity. So now you can see here it's pushing that out in the process view window. This may take a moment. This is a big data set, so it's probably going to take a little bit of time here. And we'll just wait for that to finish, and then we'll jump over into Trimble Clarity. Okay, so now I've got my data pushed out to Trimble Clarity. This is the viewer, online viewer for Trimble Clarity. You can see my world here, which I have 4 projects currently loaded up in Trimble Clarity. I'm going to go down here to the data drawer, and in my data drawer I'll see that I have my 4 projects. I've got another one out here that doesn't have any georeference data, but we got the Bulverde project. We'll just open that up, and then I'll go ahead and pick that LAZ file that we exported out of TBC. And then you see with it, we currently have a georeference MX9 data set loaded up into Trimble Clarity here. And this works the same for the SX10 data, X7 data. You can now push those data sets out to Trimble Clarity, and you can then share those with other stakeholders within your organization or outside clients. I'm just going to use the left button on my mouse here, just kind of move around through the data set, and use the wheel to scroll in, zoom in. Then I can orbit around. There you go. That's a quick how-to on how to get your point cloud data into Trimble Clarity.